1. Barbell exercises are excellent for building strength and muscle mass. However, it's crucial to perform them with proper form and technique to maximize their benefits and minimize the risk of injury. In this guide, we will walk you through the correct execution of some common barbell exercises. By following these steps, you can ensure an effective and safe workout. Let's get started. Barbell squats. Begin by standing with your feet shoulder width apart and the barbell resting on your upper back, across your trapezius muscles. Engage your core, keep your chest lifted, and maintain a straight back throughout the movement. Lower your body by bending at the knees and hips, as if sitting back into a chair. Keep your heels on the ground and ensure your knees stay in line with your toes. Descend until your thighs are parallel to the ground or slightly below. Push through your heels, engage your glutes, and extend your knees and hips to return to the starting position. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions. Two. Barbell bench press. Lie on a flat bench with your feet flat on the floor, shoulder width apart. Grasp the barbell with a grip slightly wider than shoulder width, with your palms facing away from you. Lift the barbell off the rack and hold it directly above your chest, with your arms fully extended. Lower the barbell towards your mid-chest, keeping your elbows at a 45-degree angle to your body. Pause briefly when the barbell touches your chest, then push it back up to the starting position, fully extending your arms. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions. Three. Barbell deadlift. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, with the barbell placed on the floor in front of you. Bend at the hips and knees, lowering your body and grasping the barbell with an overhand grip, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your back straight, chest lifted, and core engaged. Begin lifting the barbell by extending your hips and knees, driving through your heels. Keep the barbell close to your body as you stand up, maintaining a straight back throughout the movement. At the top of the movement, squeeze your glutes and engage your core. Lower the barbell back down to the starting position by bending at the hips and knees. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions. Remember, proper form is paramount when performing barbell exercises. Take your time to master the technique and start with lighter weights before progressing to heavier loads. Additionally, always warm up before your workout and listen to your body. If you experience any pain or discomfort, stop immediately and consult a fitness professional. With consistent practice and attention to form, you'll be on your way to achieving your fitness goals. Stay strong and keep lifting.